Big Beard RC. It's arrived. Hallelujah. The troubles I've had to get one of these. So, it's finally here. My Wltoys 124019. And I actually still can't believe it's here. I think it's in here. Sounds like it. So, it's here. Right. This is the 124019 version, which is the bigger version of the 144001. On the box, it tells you battery installation, transmitter instructions, charging the battery, how to install the LiPo, etc, etc. A couple of pictures, 2.4 gigahertz, and it says it'll do mountains, rocks, desert and off-road. Yeah. Right. Should I open it? Nah, me win. Nah, I'm kidding. Oh, let's open it. So, we have an instruction manual, a charger, and a plastic wheel wrench, or nut wrench. The charger says 2000 milliamp maximum. And this is a 2200 milliamp hour battery supply. A bit confusing. But instructions. No bollocks. We don't need that, do we? Right, so oh, me like it. It's pretty. It's pretty. So there we have the 124019. In there, transmitter comes standard with a 144001 steering trim and throttle dual rate. But we don't need that. All that. Get out of the way. This is what we want to see. The 124019. It's fierce. It's got some blinged up gold bits. Lovely, lovely. So, let's have a look inside. Take the body clips off. Body off. So we've got the 550 brush motor, exactly the same as the 144001. Same ESC and receiver built in. 5-pin servo, different battery, 2200 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt 2S LiPo. Big improvement on the 144. The smaller battery was an issue. Look at the room for the battery in there. That's humongous. So we can fit a whopping big battery in there. Got the white wheels with the purple accents. I like these. Weren't so keen on the black versions, but the white ones really set it off. Purple capped, fully adjustable oil filled shocks front and rear. Nice soft movement in them. It's a 12 scale instead of the 14 scale. It's a whole 4 centimeters bigger, I think. We have gold hinge pin mount. We've got bump stops. That's new. So in the rear, we have bump stops. Red bump stops. That's new. Okay, so same hubs, same arms, same strange camber. So on the rear looks fine, but the camber on the front looks horrendous. Easily solvable with the tie rods, but it's here in all its glory. And isn't it beautiful? It is stunning. Was it worth the wait? Most definitely. Wish it'd have been here a bit sooner, but never mind. So, what's next for this? Well, I'm going to do some essential upgrades to it before we run it. I'm not going to run it until... It's a bit strange. I'm not going to run it until I've greased the diffs, because what's the point? What's the point in rushing it and greasing the diffs and damaging something? It just seems absolutely pointless to me. So there we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to grease the diffs, we're going to set the toe in, camber, and then we're going to take it out for a run on its standard battery, in its standard guise. And then, as you all know me, don't keep things stocked for very long. In fact, I've got every single part to make this what I intend on doing already. So we're going to give it a few runs as standard, and then we're going to go with the upgrade route. So it's not going to look like this for much longer. But there it is in all its beauty. I'm digging the colour of this, the purple and the silver accents, the yellow, powerful sign on it, and the gold shot towers and the hinge pins. I think it really sets it off. The white on the wheels, I love. I think it's brilliant. I think everything about it is just amazing, and I just want to get it out. I've waited long enough now. Been waiting 6 weeks, something like that. But we're gonna get this LiPo charged, stick some batteries in that controller. We're gonna get it out and give it a blast. I've got my Sky RC GPS on charge at the moment, and we're gonna get this out, do a straight out of the box speed run once I've greased these diffs. So grease diff first. Do not run it without greasing the diffs. It's pointless. You'll do irreversible damage, and there's just no point doing it. So thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the car. Lots of things to come with this car. Big things, hopefully. Going to see some big things on YouTube with this car. I think this is the next big thing to the 144. Check us out at Facebook at Big Beard RC and on Instagram at Big Beard RC. Give us a thumbs up, and I'll see you on another video. Take care, everybody. Bye bye now. Remember, if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the bell button to be notified of any future videos.